MiniTPMS, and just a quick video about our latest progress as I promised. So remember last time this was the kind of dashboard that I think with projects a little bit all over the place. We kept it, but we did something much more cooler. If you press home button, you go to a list like this, where you have your active projects, your announced projects, unassigned projects, recently finished ones, and archived. This might maybe change in the future a little bit. We will check your feedback, of course, and see what's going on. So about the list, the red one is when the due date is has already passed. As you see, this is July 31st, which was yesterday. Green one is if it's within a week, and there's gonna be more. We'll create another maybe another component for this big LSP ACMA chemicals translation and see how it goes. So let's go and create another component. There are some stuff that I want to show you there as well. Okay, so another component, let's say that again some documentation, let's say that it's guided tour translation, which is a document. As you see, we changed component types to kind of buttons. You can select as many as you want or deselect them. So let's say this is document. Maybe we will change this as well for workflow later on. Right now it's like this pull down, and okay, so let's say it's just a simple translation. I created already a workflow. Source is English. In source, it's kind of a radio button. You can only choose one, and then in target you can do more. But let's say that this one is just English to French. It starts today, right now, and the due date is, let's say, 15th of August at let's say 16. Excuse me, 30. So members, managers, doesn't matter. Description you can put as well whatever you want. And then we are here at the so-called volumes page. We still don't have the source language indicated here. We'll put that. You can add volume. Let's say this is not weighted words, this is just words. So it's a simple untranslated amount, let's say whatever, 15,244 words. Also, you can have different start date and due date for each language separately. So this is what it is good for. Let's say this one is actually due on Thursday the 10th at 13:30. You can save that, and then now you can see untranslated amount, words, start date today, due date is the 10th. There's only one button here in the workflow part, because we only have translation here in this workflow that we choose, and then we can add vendor. You see only 4 vendors are shown here because we now filter them according to their capabilities to translate in this language pair. So Aniko, Peter, Reka and Margit are all vendors that translate English to French. So let's say Reka is our chosen vendor. She has let's say she gets all the words, so like all 15,000 words. As you see, it's already filled in. We copy it from the client part. And start date, obviously start date is now. And let's say that if our due date is 10th, we ask for it back on 9th, maybe at noon or something. Okay, and save changes. She's here. Reka vendor. This is the kind of bug that I'm telling you about, that we still want to fix. So this is why This is why I'm not giving you the the software just yet, but we'll get there very soon. Okay, so basically this is how you set up a new component for the project that you do all the time. And then if you click home again, you see you have your existing translations that are ongoing, and the guided tool translations also appeared with the due date of 10th, and English to French translation with Reka vendor whose due date is at 12. Now, once they finish the translation, you can just click this button and it doesn't work just yet. We will be working on this week. You click here, task finished, and this row will disappear and go into recently finished row, which has lot of previous projects. We will create some kind of filter later that you can, if you are looking for something, you can find your projects, and you have your announced, I'm sorry, and unassigned projects as well. Right now, if you want to say that, for example, this Acme tutorial English to French is finished, you can go here. So this is French, and was it Anico, I think. The date appears, and if we go back, yes, it's gone. Okay, so now Reka is here, and Tamash on translation with 3 pages. We can switch that off too. Yes, this doesn't work yet. We're gonna change this link so it goes to immediately to vendor page when you can edit Reka's numbers, start date, due date, etc. So let's go here, Reka vendor. It will go here. It will open this little panel. So another bug that we have is that this date end is not shown, even though Aniko vendor has finished her job, and this button is not clicked. Actually, this is already fixed locally in our company. It's just not here on the test server that I'm showing you. So basically that's it. If you want, oh yes, the plus button, if you want to create a new, you know, completely new project, you can do that. Or if you want, to create a new client from here, and new vendor company. Also, we have added to create a new end client here. So this is mainly what you really need in order to speed up your process of creating a new project. And if you're still looking for some projects that you have from before, then you can so just go here. We'll think of something better. So that's it for today. I hope you like this list, and yeah, talk to you soon. Bye.